solve this one out together. We are going to get the values of the unknowns. So we are going to say recall what we call the cosine rule. The cosine rule states that a squared should be equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a. That's the first step. We must recall that so that we can be able to solve this one together. So using that knowledge, we can decide directly opposite A, angle A, we can call it A, small a. The side opposite B, we can call it B. And the side opposite C, we can call it C. So using cosine, we can say so back out to number 1, using cosine rule, that is a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. We are going to have my a is unknown, a squared is the same as the value of b is 6 squared, the value of c is 8 squared minus 2 6 times 8 cosine of angle A, we have 50 degrees. This one is the same as 6 squared is 36 plus 64 minus this one we are going to use as a calculator. So we have 2 is negative 61 is minus 61.71. So the whole of this is negative 61.71. So we have this one is the same as 100 minus 61.71. So we're going to have around, we have 38.29 should be equal to this a squared. So our a squared is equal to that one. So what we do, we are going to get the square root of that one, to get the value of a. So the square root of answer give me 6.19 centimeters. So this one is 6.19 centimeters. We are through with the first one. So we work out now the second bit of it. We are going to get now the size of angle ABC. So the size of angle ABC, how we gonna do it? We're going to have so we have to get the value of ABC. We are going to use a different approach. We are going to use what we call the sine rule. So we can say we call the sine rule. The sine rule states that A over sine A should be equal to B over sine B should be equal to C over sine of C. We must recall that, we must remember that. Now from there, we can take our A now is 6.19 divided by A is 50, sine of 50 should be equal to, we have my B is 6, then sine C. So we are going to get sine C. We don't have the value of C. Sorry, not C but B. Sine of B. We are trying to get this now. So it is B, not C. Then from there, the next step, we're going to have, we cross multiply, we're going to have 6.19 sine B should be equal to 6 sine 50. From there, we can move on to the next step. So the value of B, you can see, Sine B should be equivalent to 6 sine 50 divided by 6.19. This one is the same as, so we get the value of 6 sine 50. That gives me 4.596 divided by 6.19, the same as 6.19, giving 4.74. So sine B is equivalent to 0.743. Now we want to get the sine B is equal to that. So we want to get the exact angle. So we divide by the sine here. If we divide by the sine here, it means we're going to have B is the same as, we get the sine inverse 0.743. We get, so we're going to have the sine inverse of 0.743. That gives me 47.99 degrees. So the size of this angle is 47.99 degrees. That is it, unless there's symbol in the equation. But just before that, let's get the length of the last bit of it. If there's no one in the equation, we just proceed and get the size of angle CAD. The size of angle CAD. So we have to get this angle. So what we can do now, we can let this side same as 7.84. Yeah, here is 7.2.8. Square, so 7.84. So we want to we put the right terms together. We are going to have 7.84. Bring this one to the other side. Minus 29 minus 36 should be equal to negative 84. The cosine of 8. So we have 7.84 minus 29 minus 76. Get negative 77. Get negative 77.16 should be the same as negative 84 cosine of 8. So from there we're going to have divide by negative 84 divided by negative 84. Yeah. So that we're going to get the cosine of A should be equal to, so we have negative 77.16 divided by negative 84. That gives me 0.9119. So we want to get the angle. So if we divide by this side, we divide by the cosine. So we're going to have angle A should be equal to cos inverse 0.919, which is equal to, we're going to get shift now cos that one. We get 23.28 degrees. So this angle is 23.28 degrees. Unless there's anybody with a burning question, that is the way forward. Thank you.